Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView chart keep refreshing auto load lag fix. So here is how you can easily fix this problem. So the step 1 is you can simple check the internet stability. So you can try to first switch your network, like if you are connected with a mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to the mobile network. Then after you can try to change your Wi-Fi network. If still you are facing same problem, then you can change your location. Because once sometimes you are on your bedroom where you will see all concrete walls, then the network will be low. So go to the out and open place. Step 2 is you can simple clear the cache memory. So sometimes clearing the cache memory can fix the software related problems. So you can close the app. Then after long press on the app icon. Now you can simple click on the storage usage and click on clear the cache memory. Okay. The next step is a very common and reliable step that can fix all kind of chart problems. So here you can open the app and now here you can simple clear all the indicators. Means you can simple remove the load from your chart. So you can simple here firstly delete all kind of indicator that you apply and apply only the important indicators. Okay. And the last step is you can simple reinstall the application. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.